Hello everybody, this is Don the Hillbilly Nature Guy, bringing you a view of Wellington Beach, where we are currently at, because it was brutally hot today. 94 in the shade at my house. But anyway, it's a nice view. Figured I'd show you guys. Clouds, pretty cool. And I gotta thank Reese today for just going and training in the cool shop instead of being out in the hot sun today. Thank you for that. Anyways, I love you all. Thank you for watching my videos. And until I take another one, we'll talk to you later.